Here's a 2015 Acura MDX. This MDX is as much at home on the highway as it is on a country road, with the handling of a sports car and the good nature of a sedan. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. V6 engine, adaptive suspension, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather sports seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, high safety scores, high-tech toys, powerful engine with decent fuel economy, and relatively large third-row seat for a midsize luxury SUV. Acura believes if there's a better way, take it. Experience it for yourself today.